Hello witches, wizards, and those who are yet to receive their Hogwarts school letters. Happy New Year and welcome back to an extra special video from my Harry Potter kitchen. It's 2021, I cannot wait to dive into a new book and get started on the Prisoner of Azkaban, but before we do, I wanted to wrap up all the goodness from the Chamber of Secrets and share with you some blooper footage that didn't quite make it into the episodes but helped us go down that fun and exciting journey. If you're looking forward to the Prisoner of Azkaban and you don't want to miss any of those recipes, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell, then you'll get an alert every time there is a brand new recipe. But while you wait, here's a few laughs for you. Okay, I'm going to do it one take wonder. Just act like we just walked in. Oh yeah, you think to do it? Yeah, sure, no worries. Yeah, no sweat. Use this as a great way to pack in all your vitamins and minerals. It's fit natural, muggle, magic, garlic bread.
There you go.
Garlic. Or George pretended to ward off Harry with a large clove of garlic when they met. For this, I'm going to use some more plums to decorate a lightning bolt on top, which is going to bake and caramelize in the onion. In the oven. Wow.
And lovely.
It is.
Is it really lovely?
Really nice.
Really?
And I made it myself, guys.
You did?
Me.
No.
You got muck on your lens, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Technically, because of the alcohol content in this, you don't have to do this. It will kind of cleanse itself, but I prefer to err on the side of caution. So let's get those eggs ready and make our nog.
Alcoholic.
I'm going to become a vegan. It might be because it's 90% alcohol.
Yeah.
But it's good alcohol! Why you gotta be that guy? And then level it off so we get some nice even sponges. A live unboxing. What's going to be in my Vorsichtglas? Hello, Hamora. Guardian Leviosa. Guardian Leviosa. You're gonna fly out the window! And he sees what happened the first time the Chamber of Secrets was opened. Tom Riddle.
Okay, sit on there. Quick sounds, please.
Am I bothered?
Right.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Am I Bothered? The windows are still open and it's very noisy in here.
So that is pretty much all of our prep complete. Oh, and kale is actually one of the most nutriently our ingredient prep complete and so many vitamins in there that will keep you running like a champion. Lots of health benefits to our ingredient prep. We've got our spinach. It's got so many so many vitamins, as lots of anti-inflammatories. This is all gonna come together into a wonderful potion that I just like to call Goose. Immune system, antioxidants, motorbikes, we just packed them all into that kale there. Your low can help your lower. Hides your to help you find out more. Spinach and cholesterol and curly. It's actually one of the most nutriently lowering your blood pressure. About the ingredients themselves. It's great for lowering to that nutrient dense. Okay, now I'm ready. They're also packed, feel magical. They're also packed on the planet, and that's because help lower. And I threw it on the ground, which are great for lower, just to help you So I'm going to blend that all together. If you don't have a blender, lol, and then scale over one of the most nutrient dense in there, but if you want a slightly thinner and smoother juice, then of course you can use a juicer instead. That's what I wanted to say. 7 hours ago, you'd have to be nuts to eat that. Whee! Ooh,
It's good.
that's quite something, you know, because it's like so smooth and velvety and soft with the creaminess, and then you get that little hello, I'm a chili. Hey, welcome to Chili's. Just in the end there. Your own polyjuice potion. First up, let's cut and slice and dice top, and we will finish it with a little. That's not too bad though. The link will be down below in the description if you want to learn how to make some Hogwarts house butters. It's a little upsell that.
By the way.
Here's a video for you.
By the way.
Here's one I created earlier. Butter. Cool.
We know where chicken dinner?
I have many dinners. Occasionally they are chicken based.
Oh yes.
But other times of the year they may not be.
Recording for fruitcake.
Fruitkachen. I'm gonna make probably one of the ultimate. Why are you here? Who invited you into my hairball kitchen? You won't fight? 'Tis the season, so today we are creating Christmas.
Lovely. How?
Right in kisser. And I'm gonna make a twist on probably one of the world's most famous vegetable soups. It's minestrone. That is minestrone. Just a little minestrone.
Minestrone.
I'm gonna make a minestrone. Say hello to my little friend. It's minestrone.
Audio for
Dumplings.
dumplings.
When we're shaping them, because I said before that it won't hold the shape, but it really did. It really did. It worked even better than I could have possibly imagined. Jam donuts are back.
What we got here, please?
Donut.
Thank you.
We have finished the Chamber of Secrets, so next week instead you will get a blooper video. And the week after, we are going to start the Philosophers. We're not going backwards.
Good.
Cut!
And the Oscar goes to
Me. Left in on that one, and actually. See, that's what I meant. One hit wonder, yeah. So there you go. It is so much fun creating these recipes for you, and I'm getting a bit more open with all of my kitchen fails, so I hope you're enjoying it too. If you don't want to miss anything from my Harry Potter kitchen, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell, then you'll get an alert next Monday when we start the Prisoner of Azkaban. I can't wait to share what we've got coming up next, so I'll see you there.